Go. Alright, John from Heroes World. I'm going to open this Sideshow Black Canary statue designed by Stanley Lau, aka Art Germ. This is part of their premium format line. So it's considered 1/4 scale. Sideshow's new thing, the thank you card. Typical Sideshow styrofoam. You can see right here it says top. The Sideshow seal. So I'm going to cut. I'm trying to attempt to cut around it. Here we have Black Canary. So the premium format statues are mixed medium style, so you'll have some cloth and fabric parts, silica gel packs keep the moisture out. Beautiful base. They usually are numbered on the bottom. 234 out of 1500. Whoa, snap. Alright, cool. I'm back, guys. I just had to help some customers, so I'm just going to quickly finish off this Black Canary statue. Got the body here. So you can see they got a nice kind of faux leather jacket going on. This is molded. They have stockings. Black Canary trademark stockings. This. Actually, I'm gonna, yeah, I'll take this off. Oh wow, it's really in there.
Hey, John.
Hey, what's up, Anthony?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Getting crazy at the shop here, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. Black Widow. I'll move the camera up so hopefully you can see. Problem with filming these on a GoPro. There's no viewfinder. So I removed the plastic in there. I actually had to pull it out and kind of rip the plastic. I don't know if they put it on before the arms were placed on the statue, but just carefully remove it. So I don't know if you can see that there. Hopefully you can. Black Widow. Sorry, Black Canary. So they did a good job. Good paint application. Nice pose. I'm gonna pull the camera off so you can take a close look. So there you go. And that is Black Canary from Sideshow Collectibles. Alright, thanks a lot.